Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently in any situation, whether it's daily conversations, meetings, or social interactions? I have got you covered. Here I teach you how to speak English naturally without overthinking grammar. Just simple, effective, and fun learning. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Hello everyone and welcome to the 30-day English challenge with me Shah. Are you ready to take the first step toward speaking English confidently? Whether you are beginners or have been learning for a while, this challenge will help you improve your English speaking skills every single day. Today we are diving into the first step to start speaking English confidently. Let's begin. Day 1. Start speaking English confidently. Step 1. Stop translating and think in English. The first and most important step is to stop translating. When you are translating in your mind, you slow down the process of speaking. Instead, think in English. This sounds tricky and fast, but with practice, you will find it easier and faster to speak fluently. Here's simple exercise. When you wake up in the morning, try to describe what's around you in English. For example, I see my bed. It's still warm. I am feeling sleepy but need to get up. Even when you are working outside or having a meal, talk to yourself in English. This will improve your speed and confidence. Think in English, not in your native language. Step number 2. Practice speaking every day. Next, let's talk about the importance of the daily practice. This doesn't mean you need a partner all the time. Speaking to yourself is just as effective. Consistency is the key. Speak every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. The more you speak, the more natural it will become. Here are a few ways to practice. Self talk. Start talking to yourself in English while doing daily tasks. Mirror practice. Talk in front of the mirror to build confidence. Shadowing. Speak in English. Speaker you admire, watch them, speak and repeat after them. This will help you match their tone and pronunciation. Speak English daily even if it's just for a few minutes. Step number 3. Start with simple sentence. Many learners get stuck trying to use complex sentences, but the truth is simple sentences are the best place to start. The simpler you sentence, the easier it is to speak with confidence. Here's an example. Complex sentence. I would like to inquire about the ability of a seat on this bus. Simple sentence. Is there a seat on this bus? Keep your sentence clear and simple. This doesn't just help you speak faster, it also helps you be understood clearly. Step number 4. Learn useful phrases, not just words. Now let's focus on something powerful. Learn useful phrases, not just individual words. Using full phrases will make your speech sound more natural. For example, instead of just saying hungry, say I am starving. Instead of very tired, say I am exhausted. Phrases help you sound more like a native speaker and help you respond quickly in conversations. Learn phrases for fluency. Step number 5. Imitate native speakers. Imitating native speakers is one of the best ways to improve your speaking. Mimic their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This will help you sound more fluent and confident. Listen to native speakers in TV shows, movies, or podcasts and repeat what they say. It's not about being perfect, it's about improving your flow. Imitating for a better pronunciation. Actionable tip and challenge. Before you go, here your day 1 challenge. Spend 5 minutes describing your surroundings in English. Use at least 3 phrases like I'm starving, I'm exhausted, etc. Imitating a native speaker from a video or podcast for 2 minutes. Do this every day for the next 30 days and you will notice a huge difference in your speaking confidence. Well done for a completing day 1. Keep practicing these steps every day and you will start seeing results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment below with your progress or any questions you have. I will be here to support you throughout this 30-day challenge. Let's get fluent together.